Alright, this just arrived. FedEx. My electric bike 3.0. Actually one of two that I ordered on Monday. Other one hasn't shipped yet. Box is a little busted right here where it says fragile. But we'll open her up and take a look. Right, it looks like the end with the busted box is down there. Let's see what we find in here. Okay. Well, at 70 pounds or so, it's no lightweight. That's for sure. Looks like it's wrapped quite well. I thought about ordering these for quite a while, but just really put it off because I didn't want to spend the money. But these 3.0s come out and they had a lot more of the features I was looking for riding in the hills, so thought I'd pull the trigger and get a couple. All right, got it together without looking at any instructions. I would say this thing has more warning tags on it than a nuclear powered submarine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it was very well packed. Real quick, like I don't see any major problems. No dents or paint chips yet that I can tell. So far so good. We'll see where we can go from here. This is going to be a surprise because Susan doesn't know I ordered them yet. So She's at her mom's today. I'm going to surprise her when she gets home. Now I ordered 2 of them, a black and a white one. I told her she could have her preference of color. I think the black looks better, but I don't care what color I have. The other one hasn't shipped yet, so this one come quicker than I thought it would, actually. But I'm going to see what I can do with it if I can get it rolling here in a minute. Okay, this one box does contain the battery charger. And apparently instructions for the battery charger. All right, got everything together. Now I'm charging it up. Got a red light on there. Oh, still have another tag to get out of here. So these are all the warning tags. Battery, front wheel, make sure front wheel don't fall off. Make sure seat post is in the right position. Make sure you wear a helmet. Must be 18 to operate. Make sure your front wheel and handlebar stem are secure. Don't exceed the recommended maximum payload on the back, 150 pounds. All right. A lot of warnings on there. We'll charge her up and see if we can go for a little ride. Okay, Sue's home. She doesn't know that the e-bike is here. I told her to wait outside the garage. I had something to show her.
Is this? Oh my God, Chuck! Oh my gosh! Wow, that's a big seat. That is a sharp looking bike.
Huge, isn't it?
It is huge. Oh my gosh.
All right.
Not quite as heavy as I thought it was going to be.
It's heavy. It's heavy.
Have you ridden it?
Just.
How was it?
Fast.
Fast?
Yeah, you got to be used to it.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
It'll take a little getting used to.
So will they be, this bike will be the same one for me. It'll be the same size.
Or this is yours, either one, yeah.
But they don't come, you don't.
No, there's one size bike.
Yeah. You little devil. I didn't think you had ordered it.
The other one hasn't shipped yet.
I didn't think you had ordered it.
I know.
And you tricked me. Oh my gosh. Well, I don't want to put anything down. Okay, but I like it. Wait, step through. I'm not used to that. Okay. Here I go. Oh, that looked.
Are you on one?
Yeah.
How are the brakes?
Brakes are real nice.
Okay. Closer so I can hear you.
Okay. It's a little scary, the assist in the corner.
Yeah.
Because, you know, you slow down and then you pedal a little bit and it's like, shoot, shoots you off. So
you learned not to pedal in the corners.
Yeah, but I have been slowing down so much that I've had to do a little pedal in the corner. You want to ride it?
Sure.
It's pretty fun. I like it a lot.
Are you done already?
For the minute, I'm gonna
Okay.
let you ride. What do you think?
Well, I had it up to about 18 or so.
Did you really?
Yeah, on 5. Let's run it up to 5.
Uh-huh. You like it?
Yeah, I think it'll be good.
Good.
Be good for cruising down the road.
Yeah.
So what did you think of your first ride on your Lectric XP 3.0?
I love it. I think we're really gonna be happy with them.
What are your tips about taking the first ride?
Your turning ratio or whatever it's called isn't nearly as tight as like on my regular bike. And slowing down, if you have the pedal assist on, if you slow down and then have to pedal a little bit, the pedal assist kicks in and it feels really fast, but it's not really in one. But it does give you that little bit of, oh, okay, I'm moving.
What would you keep your pedal assist at?
I've had my pedal assist at 2 and my gear at 4, and I like it because I feel like I'm still getting a good pedal workout.
Right.
I did put it up to 4.
This is the pedal assist right
Yeah.
here. You've got it off now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's easier to turn it off as I'm coming to a stop.
How about the weight of the bike?
It's a heavy bike, but it's not too heavy. You know, with the pedal assist, you're still getting a workout, but you don't feel like it's a 67-pound bike. It's, you know, pretty nice.
All right, friends, we're going to end this one right here. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more adventures. And until next time, fare thee well, Nomies.